want to talk about sharpening the Conte pencils. This can actually cause some problems for it causes problems for a lot of students. They have problems sharpening it, and then it's like the lead here keeps coming out. What Conte is it's a pigment. So this is a white pigment encased in clay, and that makes it more fragile. So if you drop them and bang these pencils around a lot, it might already be pre-shattered, and then they'll just pop out. But you can do that by sharpening too vigorously as well. So this is a poorly maintained Conte pencil. If you let your pencils get down to where they're this blunt, you're gonna have to do a lot of sharpening, and you risk it breaking. So you should keep them sharp as you go. When you sharpen the Conte, you need to use one of these 2-hole sharpeners that I had you buy, and you're going to put it into the larger of the holes. And then you need to put a fair amount of pressure forward and then rotate the pencil really slowly. If you go really fast, it's going to cause too much vibration up and down the material, and it could break. So you're going to go real slow. I would check it every now and then, make sure it's good. Now remember, the more sharpening you have to do, the more likely it is to break. Sometimes, this one's pretty good. Sometimes on the wood, there will be like a bend in the wood, and you'll hit that one spot where it'll be hard to sharpen past it. That's where you have to go really slow and firm. And it starts getting risky. So that's like a pretty good point on a Conte pencil. As soon as it starts getting much blunter than that, I would sharpen it again. The more you can keep it pointy as you go, the better. The more you have to sharpen it all the way up from all flattened down, the worse it's going to be. And that applies to the white and the black Conte.